In this video we talk about how the European Commodore could be over before it begins. The Commodore is iconic in Australia. Australians have really got behind the Commodore and its Australianness. And so news of the Australian-made Commodore being shut down and ending this year, there was a bit of an uproar. And nobody wanted a European Commodore alternative, because in their eyes, the Commodore is Australian. However, now you might get your wish. You're not going to get a European Commodore. There is a chance that you could very well be getting a French Commodore, which definitely isn't better. Because GM has admitted that it's currently in talks with the PSA group, which is Peugeot and Citroën, to now sell Opel/Vauxhall to the PSA group. And Opel/Vauxhall are the ones that are making the new Commodore for 2018. And it's actually not just the new Commodore. In fact, Opel are planning to make 1/3 of Holden's lineup for 2018. So if this deal goes ahead, Holden could be in big trouble, and they're going to have to replace their models. And where are they going to get them from? Like a lot of the Holden models right now, they're coming from Korea. And having more models coming from Korea probably isn't a great thing. But what does this mean for the Commodore? Well, short term, it probably means we could be getting a French Commodore from the Peugeot Citroën group under what is currently going to be the new Commodore anyway, just made by them. Holden have already spent a lot of money in transforming this Opel into the Commodore, and that's going to be our car for the next few years. But what does that mean for the Holden Commodore long term? Well, it could mean that we could be changing from the Australian Holden Commodore to this Opel European Commodore that could be now French Commodore, to now possibly a different model altogether again from somewhere else in the GM group. Maybe USA, or hopefully not Korea, made in the old Daewoo factory. As well as the rest of the lineup that could now be missing. They're going to have to replace them all with other cars throughout the GM group. And it sort of raises another question though, doesn't it? If GM are willing to sell off Opel/Vauxhall, then how much longer is Holden going to last under the GM banner? And if they sell Holden as well after this, well, I think we could possibly see GM dealers in Australia very soon after. But let's talk about this in the comments down below, and thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.